Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. When you move into a new home, you're presented with a blank canvas which sometimes can be overwhelming. There are many choices to be made and options to choose from, and it might feel like you don't know where to start, especially when it comes to the spare bedroom. In this video, to give you some inspiration, we'll take you through our top 5 uses for a spare bedroom. The first and most obvious choice for a spare bedroom is utilising it as a guest space. When your in-laws travel down from the coast or your friends fancy a sleepover, having a guest bedroom prepared will elevate your hosting experience. We love the idea of prepping a room with hotel-like facilities. This may include toiletries or a set of towels ready for your guests to use. Don't forget to add a personal touch, it's your home after all. You could choose your favourite colour to accessorise the room or add a few trinkets in, such as photos or artwork. With more and more of the nation working from home at least once a week, having a dedicated office space in your abode can really help separate your home from your job. You can truly personalise your space to suit your needs, whether you are a true creative or prefer a more laid-back office style. Select a relaxing office chair, a comfortable desk and some satisfying stationery. Remember to make sure to create a personalised Zoom background to impress all of your colleagues. Let's face it, gyms are expensive, but did you know you can also utilise your spare bedroom as a home gym or workout space? With as little as a yoga mat and an internet connection, you can create your very own exercise space, saving you money on memberships and giving you all the privacy you could ever need. If you're someone who loves to shop, using your spare bedroom as a storage room could be the option for you. Although some of our homes come with custom-built wardrobe spaces, sometimes one is simply not enough. You could create the ultimate dressing room, fit with a dressing table, Hollywood mirrors, and plenty of storage for your clothing, shoes, and accessories. If you have a hobby that tends to creep into other rooms of your home, such as painting, crafting, sewing, or even collecting Lego and memorabilia, a dedicated hobby room is the ultimate solution. Utilising your spare bedroom to host your hobby will help keep the rest of your home clutter-free and provide you with a devoted space to enjoy your pastime in peace. So, with our 5 fun and functional ideas to help utilise your spare bedroom space, which one is your favourite? Let us know in the comments below. To find out more about our available new homes, please visit the link in the description below.